am Sanjay Pal. Today we are going to take one example from arithmetic progression. This is useful in 10th class or competitive exams. Now let us take that examples. Now this example is based on the formula of the arithmetic, that is nth term of the arithmetic progression. Now let us take the solution of these problems. The problem is the 11th term and the 21st term of the AP are 16 and 29 respectively. So you have been given the two terms of the AP and we have to find out first term and common difference. Second question, 34th term also we have to find out. Now this solution we can obtain from the formula of nth term of the AP. So first of all, we will write the given in notation form and the formula, and then we'll use the formula. Now let us take the solution. Given 11 terms we can denote in notation T11. So T11 is given as a 16. Then we have been given the T21, that is as a 29. These two things is been given. Then we'll write down the formula. We know that nth term of an AP, that is Tn, is equal to A plus n minus 1 into T. Now we can number this formula as a 1. Here we'll substitute these two givens. So we'll get the two equation. We'll write down that two equation. 1 in black. T11 is equal to A plus n we have to take as a 11. 11 minus 1 into D. Okay. Put n is equal to 11 and the T11 is equal to 16. So this implies T11 means 16. So we can write 16 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1, that is a 10 into T. So this is one equation. We can number it as a 2. Also put n is equal to 21 and T21 is equal to 29. Now we are using the second given. Okay. Now substitute this again in the 1. In equation 1. So we can write 29 is equal to A plus 21 minus 1 into D. Simplify further, so it will be A plus 20 into D. So this is a third equation. Now these two equations we have to solve simultaneously for the A and the D. Now if we subtract second equation from the third, then we can able to eliminate the A. So let us do that. So 3 minus 2 in black. On the left hand side we can write 29 minus 16 is equal to A plus 20D minus A plus 10D. Now take the negative sign inside. So we can able to cancel A and this A. It becomes a minus A. And 20D minus 10D, that is a 10D. So we can write here it is a 10D. And this 29 minus 16, that is 13. Divide by the 10. So D is equal to 13 upon 10. Okay. Now to find out A, we will substitute the value of the D, that is 13 upon 10 in the equation 2. So putting this in equation 2, therefore a plus 10 into 13 by 10 is equal to 16. First of all, we are writing the right hand side, then we are writing the left hand side. We can change the side. Okay. Now this 10 get cancelled and transfer this 13 to right hand side. So it becomes a negative. So we can write a is equal to 16 minus 13, which is coming to be as a 3. So a is coming to be as a 3. So we got the a and d, that is we have answered the first question. Now we have to go for the, now we have to find out the 34th term. To find out 34th term, again we need the nth term of the AP. Put n is equal to 34 in equation 1. Also a is equal to, which we have found as a 3. So that also we have to substitute. D also we have found. So that also we have to write that is 13 upon 10. So these three things we have to substitute in 1. Therefore we can write T34, which we have to find out, equal to right hand side a means 3 plus n means 34. So it is a 34 minus 1 into d is our 13 upon 10. Simplify. So it will be 3 as it is plus 34 minus 1, that is 33 into 13 upon 10. Okay. Simplify. So this will be 3 plus 13 3s are, that is 39, 3 carry, 13 3s again 39 plus 3, that is 42 divided by 10. Simplify further, so it will be 3 plus 42.9. Okay. Now add them, so it becomes a 45.9. So this is our 34th term, which we have to find. This is the answer. This is the way, and this question can be asked in the 10th class or in the competitive exam.